Welcome back to our lectures on the UCC. Today we're going to talk about warranties. I want to mention something. The Uniform Commercial Code is divided up into 9 articles. Article on sales is called Article 2. And want to point out to you that there is an appendix in the back of our textbook on Article 2 of the UCC. There's also one on Article 2A, which is leases, but we're only focusing on Article 2 for sale of goods. So today we're going to talk about warranties. Warranties are a promise from a seller to a buyer about the condition of the products themselves. There are 3 kinds of warranties. One are automatic warranties. 2, there are express warranties. And 3 are implied warranties. It's important to know something about each of these types. Automatic warranties are warranties that are automatically made in the sale of the contract, and they're automatic under the UCC. Their automatic warranties are the following: that the seller has good title to the goods. The goods do not belong to anybody else. The second automatic warranty is that there are no liens on the goods. That is, nobody has a mortgage or a note or some other financial obligation applied to these goods. And the third is that the goods have no infringements. There is no copyright infringement, there's no trademark infringement, there's no patent infringement. You can disclaim, that is, say that these automatic warranties do not apply, but you have to specifically say the automatic warranties do not apply before they're disclaimed or before they don't apply. So if your contract, if you don't want to make one of these warranties as a seller, you've got to specifically say that in your contract. The next kind of warranty is an express warranty. The express warranty is a warranty that arises from an affirmation of fact or a promise made by the seller. It is something that the seller does that specifically states some affirmative thing about that particular good. For example, there could be an express warranty for in the contract itself, or there could be a description of the good in a brochure or a statement made by the salesperson, or it could be that this good will be expressly warranted to be like a sample or a model that you've given the buyer. An express warranty can arise in several different ways, but it does not have to be in writing. For example, it can be in a model, or it can be in a product brochure, or it can be from a salesman expressly stating something about that particular product. But an expression of value or an opinion is not an express warranty. I'll say that again. An expression of value or an opinion about the product is not an express warranty. For example, something like, "This is the greatest product in the world," or "I believe this product will help you lose weight." Those are opinions. They're not express warranties. And opinions of value or opinions of opinions in value are called puffery. But puffery is not an express warranty. You must understand that. The third kind of warranty is an implied warranty. An implied warranty arises from the transaction itself or from the circumstances surrounding the transaction or the course of dealing between the buyer and the seller. There are 2 kinds of implied warranties. There's implied warranty of merchantability. And the implied warranty of fitness for a particular purpose. Not writing any better on this whiteboard than I was in class, am I? Merchantability is a statement about the product made by a merchant that the product is reasonably fit for the ordinary purpose of the product's use. That is, that it is at least of average quality. It's not, maybe not so great, and it's probably not so terrible, but it's at least average quality. And it's made by a merchant. A fitness for particular purpose is a warranty made by the seller, either a merchant or a non-merchant, who knows both the particular purpose for use of the product, or that the buyer is relying on the skills of the seller to select the goods needed by the buyer. If it meets if it meets both of those criteria, that is, particular purpose for use known by the seller, and that the buyer is relying on the skills of the seller to pick out the product, then there is a warranty of fitness for a particular purpose. Now suppose you don't want to give one of these warranties, or both. So what we're going to do is, in the next lecture, we're going to talk about how you get rid of these warranties or how you disclaim them. Thank you.